If Photoshop is giving you the MSVCP140.dll error, don't worry. This is usually caused by a missing or corrupted Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable file, and in most cases, the fix is quick and simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to solve the problem step by step so you can get Photoshop running again without confusion. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft Visual C++ downloads page. It's very important that you use the official Microsoft site because you want the latest safe version of the files and not a random download from a third-party website. Once you're on the Microsoft page, look for the latest supported Visual C++ redistributable packages. You should download both versions, the x86 file and the x64 file. The x86 version is for 32-bit support and the x64 version is for 64-bit support. And installing both helps make sure Photoshop and other Adobe components have everything they need to work properly. After both files finish downloading, open the x86 installer first. When the setup window appears, choose Install. If the system says the package is already installed, you may see a repair option instead. In that case, go ahead and select Repair so Windows can fix any damaged or missing components automatically. Once that process is complete, do the same thing with the x64 installer. Again, select Install if it's a fresh setup or Repair if the option is available. This step is important because the MSVCP140.dll error often happens when one of these runtime libraries is missing, outdated, or broken. After both installers have finished, close everything and restart your computer. A restart is necessary because Windows needs to reload the updated runtime files and apply the changes correctly. When your computer boots back up, launch Photoshop again and check whether the error is gone. In most cases, installing the latest Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable fixes the issue right away. If Photoshop opens normally, then the problem was caused by the missing dependency and you're good to go. If you still see the error after restarting, double check that both the x86 and x64 packages were installed successfully and make sure Windows Update is also fully up to date. But for most users, this simple Microsoft repair is all you need to get Photoshop working again. If this video helped you fix the MSVCP140.dll error, please hit the like button so more people can find this solution, and subscribe for more helpful Photoshop and Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.